Okay, so we're going to start the conversation with the laundry room. Had existing cabinets, and we just came in and did a reface of these cabinets. And the idea was to change the look in the whole house with these cabinets with these nice pulls on here. So it's the laundry room. This is kind of a little first part. This was the upstairs hallway. This was a base cabinet with a countertop and uppers that was kind of ugly and a light switch there. So we relocated the light switch to the other side of the wall and installed this cabinet to be a linen. Notice the drawers for full use. Much more effective cabinet. And then here's the master bath. So right off the bat, you can see how the floor is that color? That kind of dictated the cabinet color to match the floor. So this was a completely redesigned bathroom to accommodate the needs of the client, starting with a walk-in shower, barrier-free. Notice the infinity drain on the end. So that is see how it's sloped down? And the transition is at the glass. So you don't see that transition, which makes that beautiful. Love that big niche. Rain head with a handheld. Big space for access. And you come over to the tub. Notice the wainscoting of the tile. Love that tub. Very roomy. His and hers vanity. Makeup area has a seat there. And new toilet and floor in the closet. So that is a beautiful master bath. Barrier free. Clients love it.